We're sharing my mom's 4-ingredient, healthy banana oatmeal chocolate chip cookies recipe. We'll give you the complete recipe and then show you the easy step-by-step process.
2 medium ripe bananas. As you can see, our bananas are very ripe, which is the way we prefer them because they are very sweet.
However, your bananas do not need to be this ripe. Your cookies will still be delicious. 3/4 cup quick oats. 3/4 cup old-fashioned whole rolled oats. 1/2 cup milk chocolate or semi-sweet chocolate. 1 tablespoon of white sugar. Let's get started.
Yeah, let's get started. Preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius. You don't need to line the cookie pan. However, it's easier to clean up the pan if you line it with a parchment baking sheet or coat with spray or oil.
Smash the bananas until they are smooth and not lumpy.
Since there is no egg, the mashed bananas are the glue to hold the cookie dough together.
You need to mash the bananas to a consistency of baby food.
Since there is no milk, the mashed bananas moisten the dry ingredients. Add the 3/4 cup quick oats. You need to mix the oats very well. You want to make sure that the oats is mixed well with the bananas. And then the 3/4 cup of whole oats. Add 1 tablespoon sugar.
Mix it in very well.
Yeah. After you mix the sugar very well, then it's time to add the chocolate chip. Then,
My favorite part, chocolate.
yeah, it's time. This is the last ingredient, is the chocolate chip.
Use a heaping tablespoon to form a ball of cookie dough.
Since there is no butter, the cookie dough will not spread. You need to flatten and shape it round.
Bake it at least 12 to 15 minutes until lightly golden brown. Make sure you don't overcook it because it can become rubbery.